What's up, guys? Parkstar here with my pops. Back again with another Shoes and Brews. I haven't posted one in a while, so I got a treat for y'all. I'm gonna bring my dad on today. We're gonna be unboxing a special pair of shoes, and I'm gonna let you do the honors. But first, let's start drinking some beer. We're gonna put this to the side for now. We gotta get our beverage first. Today, our first one is gonna be the Coffee Hidden Pipe.
Oh, sounds like a good breakfast beer.
Raleigh Brewing Company. So my dad got me into the dark beers, and we love them ever since. So this is gonna be our first one, guys. Cheers. Ooh, it's a little bitter on the chocolate. I don't know how I feel about that one. Not as sweet.
It has a little bit more coffee than I usually like.
That's what it is. It tastes like a bitter coffee.
Yeah, I could probably use a little bit of maybe like a vanilla to it, or maybe even a chocolate. But,
Yeah, I like the vanilla. When you have vanilla in a stout or a porter, that's where it's at.
I think it makes a difference. That's for sure.
All right, so the reason I got all these dark beers, porters, stouts, I got some that are kind of breakfast oriented, so I got these Nike shoes. They are called the Air Max Bacons.
Air Max Bacon.
So when you think about that, what do you think of? Colors, what do you think of?
I'm thinking like a sizzling brown, maybe with some red streaks.
So like cooked bacon?
Yeah, I'm thinking cooked bacon.
Okay.
I'm not thinking about bacon that's not cooked.
So no like raw meat?
I'm not thinking about the white strip of fat in there.
Okay.
I'm thinking more like the cooked bacon with brown and red.
Yeah, so that's what I thought. So we'll see. You want to open them up? I'll let you do the honors.
You want to sample one more first?
Yeah, I'll let you pick.
How about this People's Porter? People's Porter. A friend of mine really likes the People's brand.
Gotta love your peoples.
Yeah, he likes the People's brand. It might have been him that turned me on to the porters at that time. This is Foothills Brewing, Winston-Salem.
So are you a porter or a stout person?
Oh, that's a really good question. I really think both of them are nice. When I think of stout, I think of more a foamy. That it brings to mind a milk stout that Duck Rabbit, a place that I used to live. Yeah,
okay.
That's right, a creamy beer.
Ooh. See, more vanilla right at the beginning. I feel like.
That one did have a little bit of sweet taste to it.
Kind of fruitiness too.
I wonder if I should look at that and see. So they're saying this is the granddaddy of stouts. No. Porter is considered the mild-mannered granddaddy of stouts. So that may have answered your question about are they interchangeably. Well, it sounds like they're like cousins.
Gotcha.
Right?
Gotcha.
So they're like cousins, and this is actually what gives you this vanilla taste on this one. Sounds like they have upfront notes of chocolate and toffee.
Ooh.
I'm thinking I'm tasting the toffee first.
I like me some Heath Bar.
Yeah, I think that's about.
That is kind of what it tastes like. Yeah,
Yes, that is what it
caramel. Wow. I'm a fan of that one. I like this one over the first one.
I do like that. I think that one wins so far.
Tear. Might get some tape. Oh. Tear it up.
All right. Well, I'm trying. So who's this? Who makes these?
These are Nike. Have you ever had any Nike?
Well, Nike. I always have to remember that they wear a little bit large, right? No, is that right?
A little small.
Well, they wear small. That's
You
right.
have to
So you got to
upsize.
upsize.
Yeah.
That's right.
Can you tell me about your sneaker wearing days? What were your favorite shoes as a kid?
Yeah, well, you didn't give me any favorites. You got what Mama said you could have.
You got that one choice?
You got that Converse. Chuck Taylor's Converse was everybody's favorite.
Which is now Nike.
Really? Oh, okay.
Converse is now Nike, yeah.
So Converse at that time was, all you did was try to get all the different colors.
Gotcha. Yeah.
So
kind of like Vans today.
most people just stuck with white, but you tried to occasionally throw in a different color.
Yeah. Spice it up a little bit.
All right, let's see. This is Nike Air Max.
Here, we'll take it out first.
9.
Yeah.
Okay.
Move this big box to the side.
Ooh, I do like that color.
Packaging is on point, y'all.
Look at that. That thing kind
So I think
of
this.
glows.
So the retail price of these were $175, correct?
I don't know.
Somewhere-
Oh, 140.
140.
It says.
Okay. So but yeah, so it was more. Usually the Air Maxes are like 100, but these were. I think this is a premium. This was a premium release, so might be some special packaging, something like that in there. So we'll see. I like when Nike does little details and
Ooh.
stuff like that. So
I'm just pulling this out.
yeah, I'll hold this out.
Okay. Very
Oh
good.
man, that bacon smell.
Well, I see some red.
Oh,
I do see some red.
so then
I think part of me was
here,
right.
we'll do this.
What do I do? Just show everybody.
Put one
this?
right here, and then yeah.
Oh my! See, that does look like a bacon. So I like this. I'm thinking. I mean, gosh, I like a lot of the features here. I mean, look,
It's a
you got-
really cool colorway.
You got the strings here. They have the light brown, kind of like that.
Pick one up, so.
I mean, again, like we said, I thought it might have some brown mixed in with the red.
Mhm.
I love that. Wonder why they throw the pink in there. That's like almost the raw side of the bacon.
That's the raw.
So this is like really a
Or maybe like a pig or something. I don't know.
This is more like the combination of raw bacon with the cooked bacon.
Mhm.
So why? Interesting.
I like it. I think it's a very. I feel like it's very wearable.
I just feel like it's real solid.
Yeah. The quality of the leather. Look at that tumble.
Yeah, I like that.
I'm gonna give you a little backstory on these.
Okay.
We're gonna look it up a little bit.
All right, that sounds good.
Just to get some history.
How about if I open this up the next porter?
Yeah. You open it up while I do some research.
No, maybe I'll go stout this time.
Yes.
I'll get the stout.
I'm cool with that.
This stout is a breakfast stout, double chocolate, coffee, oatmeal stout. Now that beer pretty much tells you what's in it. Sounds like to me. I mean, you got a stout
They
that
put
has,
every detail on that one.
I mean, probably doesn't leave any guessing. The question is, does it taste that way? My personal opinion is sometimes they'll call something a chocolate stout, but I don't ever taste the chocolate,
Yeah.
so I don't really know sometimes. Let's see. I'm gonna get you a glass here.
Okay, let me read this. So the Air Max 90, this is the Air Max 90, by the way. Few among us can resist the craving for bacon. And now, the tasty breakfast staple serves as inspiration for an equally appetizing take on the iconic Air Max 90. So there was a pair in 2004 that were released,
Oh,
and it was a store called Dave's Quality Meat.
Dave's.
Dave's Quality Meat, and
Dave's.
it was. This is what I know. This is not on here on the Nike sneakers, but yeah. So they did a exclusive release at the meat shop. So they had them in the case, like you know, like when you go
Right.
buy a steak, it's in the case, the glass case. You're looking at your meats, and these
So
were there.
you buy your meat, and
Yeah.
then
So
you buy your
it was a
shoes.
special. It was a special release. Yeah.
Interesting.
So yeah. So the contrasting. Okay, we'll read it a little bit more. Released back in 2004, the silhouette sports a range shade of reflecting the dish in various stages of preparation.
Oh, well, that makes sense now.
Yep. So it's like
So it starts off kind of white and pink, and then it kind of ends up more with the red and the.
I guess the pink's
brown.
the pig, right? And then
I
you
think
go
that's
to-
the rawest form. That's
Raw.
what I would say.
I really like the
I
brown.
mean, the white is all the fat part. That's interesting. So
That's a really cool.
I like that.
So would you rock these?
Yeah, I think so. They're really comfortable. They feel. I mean, they feel kind of sturdy. They feel. No, I mean, I feel like they have a good sole on them.
Guys, if this video gets, what do you think? 200 likes?
Yeah.
200 likes. I'll give these to my pops. So
Come
run it
on,
up.
guys. Get
Run it up
with
because
it.
I want to see him wear these.
Come on, get with it, guys.
See him wear them to work or something. I don't know.
Make it happen so I can rock some of these shoes.
Also, I'm doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. We are very close. I think we're like 75 more. And that's it. So
Oh, I like that.
you get a free custom pair of shoes, whatever you want.
That's kind of freaky a little bit, but there he is. I mean, it's double chocolate and coffee and oatmeal. So
Interesting.
it's got a 8.38 alcohol content. So
Sounds like I already hit him.
no, I'm just a hesitate. That's just smell it a little bit. You can smell the coffee right off the bat, can't you?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I think.
I like that. Yeah, I'm very. I always smell what I'm drinking. I don't know. It's weird, but
Ooh.
that one's. It's very rich. Well, not rich. It's more powerful.
Yeah, it feels kind of thick. It's like
Mhm.
I think that's what you.
Mouthfeel.
I think most stouts feel thicker to me than the porters.
I feel
That's
that.
what I think. And that's what I'm feeling. It's that richness. It's that creaminess. I think that's what I'm feeling. I kind of like that one. I'm trying to rank them, I suppose, but
Yeah, I guess we could do
I
that.
probably still like the People's Porter the best. But right now, that's at least a close second.
This is yeah. I think I got the coffee hidden is kind of out of the picture right now. I don't really.
Yeah, that was a little bit different. It was almost, I don't know, it missed the mark a little bit, but it's all right. You know,
All right.
all of them will work in a pinch.
All right. Let's try
All right,
the last one.
last one, Highland Brewing.
That's local, isn't it? Asheville.
Oatmeal Porter. We're in North Carolina, so this is Asheville. Asheville has a lot of brewers. Highland Brewing's a big one. This is actually, I'm pretty sure I've had this, but this is I like the way they describe it: dark, roasty, and smooth. You know, now this one kind of implies that there's hints of chocolate and freshly roasted coffee. Okay,
Yum, yum.
so we get again the breakfast theme. You know, it kind of makes you all want to break an egg and cheese right now, doesn't it?
That's what I'm saying. I felt that was the whole premise on bringing the breakfast into this. I feel like I was gonna we were just gonna eat bacon on the whole video, but I feel like that would not have been as fun. I couldn't find any bacon beer, so
That comes close.
exactly. So I had to get more creative. None of them really said breakfast except the stout. But
So, oatmeal porter, smooth, with hints of chocolate, and freshly roasted coffee.
sounds delicious.
Let's try it.
The smell right along is. It's just like that very sweet.
I like this one a lot.
I think this one might be my favorite, honestly.
Now again,
Not even because you're saying it.
well, and I think we talked about the stout versus the porter.
Mhm.
You can see the creaminess that is not as strong as this one.
Yeah. It's a lot lighter beer.
So I think between, if you're really into a stout, I think you pick with if you want the creaminess, you stick with the Founders, right? But I really think the oatmeal porter and from Highlands and the People's Porter both are really good.
I think it definitely has something to do with like how many you're
Competition.
planning to drink too. 'Cause, like, no, well, not even like
Yeah.
if you're drinking like one of these,
Mhm.
and I'm gonna pick one of these at one time. Like I think I'm cool with that. I'm cool with picking that beer, and that being my one beer. But I'm not gonna drink a case of those.
That's kind of tough.
You know?
That's right. I think both of these are really good alternatives.
Yeah, I agree.
So,
I hope y'all have an amazing day. I hope y'all drink some dark beers or whatever you're drinking. Cheers up. And I hope y'all subscribe to Parks Art.
please do make it happen.